Hello everyone. Today I will discuss one important topic. Some people make mistake when use the Bootstrap iframe HTML tag to show a PDF file in the website. For example, in the Bootstrap 4.0, the class in the iframe tag was different than the Bootstrap 5.0.2. That's why I am here to show you what was the mistake and how to resolve this issue. So basically, I will show you how to use the Bootstrap 5.0.2 to show a PDF file in your website. For this purpose, I have taken this HTML code from the Bootstrap website, where in the head section, the Bootstrap CSS file is defined. And in the body section, I'm going to define how to use the iframe to show the PDF. Here, the class name was different in the 4.0, right? In the 5.0.2, the class name is ratio, and the ratio 1:1. So you can define the aspect ratio of your PDF. In the iframe tag, so there is a src source of the PDF file, and you can also allow the full screen. Let's try to test this simple website using Google Chrome. So it's showing you the PDF. So you can change a couple of things. For example, you can define it is 16:9 aspect ratio. Also, in the PDF file, as you see that there is an option for downloading this PDF. So you can make this option optional using one simple change. For example, you can just define the toolbar equal to 0, so it will stop showing the PDF download option. Let me just clear the browser cookies so that it will show the updated one. Let me now reload the browser. And as you see that the download option is gone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.